Hello and welcome. The scary moment tourists experience an earthquake whilst on a boat tour in Mexico.
Be on this boat.
CCTV captures the moment an earthquake caused a structure to collapse and narrowly misses motorists. A brave store attendant helped to protect a customer and get her to safety. A skyscraper was recorded swaying during a 9.1 magnitude earthquake in Japan in 2011.
Lumilindol! Ang lakas!
A devastating 6.4 magnitude earthquake interrupts a press conference in Croatia in 2020. Shoppers are lucky to escape as shelves of food collapse around them.
Oh my dear God.
This road is recorded seemingly moving on its own after an earthquake liquefied the soil underneath it.
That was a big earthquake.
This building partially collapsed after an earthquake in Taiwan. It had to be propped up with cranes until it could be safely demolished. Mother Nature at times can be terrifying. Thanks for watching, and I will hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.